Hello friends, today is wonderful day to learn motion design. But don't let After Effects drive you. Like as you know, in Soviet Russia, cars drives you. Thanks to Yakov Smirnov for this quote. Our people is searching for him in the decades. Alright, joking aside. And today we're gonna learn something what Andrew De Castro made 3 years ago. And from this time, about all webinars on my courses are students asking, how does he do it? And it was done with P5.js or with processing, but you can do the same or almost the same, but with less amount of characters in After Effects. And let's do it. Actually, a lot of questions from these days, how I have done my experiments with text when text is bubbling, when text is making mathematical notes and etc. And actually, the technique which I will describe to you today and which we'll dig into is living in all these dance of letters in the space. This, this, and maybe even something like this also. It's all the same. It's mathematics, it's sinus and cosinus. And yeah, I know we all was in school, and when we all were or was in school, we study sinus and cosinus and think, what the heck is this? Why we need it? This is just, bullshit. But right now, when you as a motion designer sitting in your chair and you got the reference pack and you see and saw there something like that, and you understand, no, I don't want to study JavaScript, I don't want to study processing on P5.js right now. Alright, you know After Effects, and right now I will show you how to do something like that in After Effects. Something like that, very close to this. First of all, you need to install After Effects. So what do we have here? This is After Effects. We need to make text layer, bam, with any kind of text. The text which will bubbles. I have the text which very close to me, because this is the name of my school, Ayeshnaya. Yeah, and I need to have a lot of characters, and I don't want to type a lot of characters. I'm very lazy person, if you know. So what I gonna do, and I will use JavaScript. I will open programming mode and write here repeat 50. So it will copy 50 times the word or the sentence which was typed in the text layer. Please be very careful, because depending on your laptop, depending on your system, expressions are very hungry to CPU. It also depends on the version of After Effects. I have 2025, it's quite better than 2023 or older versions with expressions. Also, you can make slider in which you will change the number, the amount of repetitions of your word. So we can do something like that, repeat and make slider 50. All right. Second step, we need that all characters will be at the same place, because this row is very troublemaker for us. It will be hard to deal with it. We have no access to coordinates in text layer for every character, so we need to make a bit of magic, yeah. And magic is depending on the size of letter, and I actually need to make it smaller, because in the reference it's something about maybe 40. Yeah, bam. Your task is to do like they are one letter. something about this. 5 pixels left, 5 pixels right is okay, but it's better if they all will be in one position. In this case, you will have very precise mathematical and very beautiful design. Second step, we need to make text animator, and we'll make position, and here you need to write half size of screen. Yeah, if you want that your graphics will bubble about this all size of screen. So 500 is my case here. Also, I will switch off animator and make everything in the middle of the screen just for my convenience. Just to make me convenient, just for convenience. In all of these cases. So now I will have like diagonal here. Yeah. It should be about the corner, and the coordinates should be here. It's not a problem if it's far or close, but 2 digits are the same, and if you need to make it less, make it less. Yeah, 500. Second step, I will delete range selector. Please forget about range selector if you want to make something mathematical. And I will make expression selector. Yeah, it's working. It will divide the amount of position proportionally. And this is okay, but we don't need it. So I will comment this string, and this is very good variables which you need to know if you're working with expression selector. We will use text index here, and that's all. What I need to do, I need to have a circular movement here of all characters. If you remember the mathematics, circular movement in mathematics is combination of sine and cosine. If I write x equals math sin or sinus, math sin, from time, and just multiply it to 100, and then I will write that y is the same but cosinus, cos, from time and multiply 100, and if I will say x and y, I will have just circular movement backwards. I don't need counterclockwise, I need clockwise, so this is like it, and yeah, that's it. No. Next step, we need that all characters will be in the circle. We need that sign return bit different value for each character. To do this, we need make addition of text index in every step. Text index. What do we have? Something beautiful we have here, but it's very fast. To do it slower, we need to write time equals time divide 10. Yeah, it's very slow. Maybe divides 2. It will be okay for us. And please know that I'm using here JavaScript. If you push on this icon, you should be aware that we use not legacy extend script, we use JavaScript. These two languages are a bit different. Next step, I need to do something like that, and this is noise. This what you can say wiggle, but wiggle is actually function which use noise, and even though wiggle is a method which use noise. So we need to add noise plus noise from time in x, and here we need to use noise from time plus 1, at least 1. In this case we'll have different noise in x and in y, and also we need to do this different for each character. Text index divide, no, right now just text index, and here also plus text nothing happened. Yeah, why? Because this is a very small amount, plus and minus 1. And here also plus and minus 1, but we multiply it to 100. So let's do that. Sine and cosine will be the half of value, and noise will be the other half of value. Multiply 50, multiply 50. We'll see. Oh, it's very noisy. It's too noisy. And we have a very big distance in noise between all characters. So we need to divide text index to at least 10. Yeah? Yeah, now it travels. This is what we need. Maybe 10 is maybe. The less this digit, closer our letters will be to each other in noise. So if we divide to 20, they will go very close to each other. If we divide to, I don't know, 50, also divide here in sine and cosine text index, I think it will be good for us. Yeah. Divide 10, and here let's divide to less digit, for example 7. Yeah, I know this because I work a lot with this technique and I have some experience-based digits here. So maybe 10 and 10 will be also okay. Just do the same dividers in sine and cosine. Yeah, this is good. I think that this is good. Maybe we can try with 50-50 again. Maybe you can try with 60-40. Just remember that multiply here plus multiply here should be 100. This is also good. Maybe 60 and 40, maybe 70 and 30. '70 and 30 is good. Next step is just let's add opacity to different letters, and we can do it very easy without math. So just let add opacity 0, and in range selector let do it triangle. Is it good? Good. You can also make it random. It's also good. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. Please enjoy After Effects and everything what's around it. Don't forget to save this post because there is no search in Instagram, and if you lost it, you lost it. But who cares? See you in next tutorial. Maybe it will come soon, maybe not.